Hello, so here we are today at Viking Tyre and Service Centre. Basically we're setting up an approved carbon clean centre which includes DPF cleaning and also carbon cleaning. Des and Louise contacted us after seeing our details at Automechanica at the NEC. So here today basically to do an induction with the machines, make sure they understand exactly what they do and what they can do for the end users, and also provide them support and marketing going forward so they can promote their business. So we're here today with Des from the Viking Tyre and Service Centre. So what we're doing today has been going through the various machines, obviously the DCS17 and the CC14. Now, what was it that attracted you to our machines?
We've had a lot of interest in DPFs blocking up, so we have done a few, and we've decided now to go down the route of buying a machine and doing it ourselves and pushing it forward.
Okay, so you're glad you chose carbon cleaned machines?
Yeah, I am. I like the product, so we've took a bit of persuasion. We've had one now, and we're going to push it forward, and we are the only one in the area of probably a 20-mile radius. So, yeah.
Yeah, and obviously you're in Swadlincote, so it's a surrounding area of around about, what, 20 miles?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no one has got one in the area. Lots of garages, so hopefully we can do business with them.
Yeah, well, obviously we're going to support Des throughout the decision that he's made, obviously with the marketing that you can see today, and obviously going forward with any support he needs with the products. So finally, I'm here with Louise and we're just going through the final details about how we can support our business digitally.